We are responsible for 45% of global greenhouse gas emissions just from the way we consume and use our planet's resources, though 70% of what we extract would be enough to meet our needs. It's time to rethink and transform the way we create, use, and reuse resources across the entire life cycle of products and solutions. Embracing eco-design practices is crucial, such as planning for maximum lifetime, minimum resources, and zero waste. Consider different ways of meeting the same needs to reduce our environmental footprint through design and innovation. We need to source differently by using materials with lower environmental impact, as well as digitizing our supply chains for more efficiency. We can make better use of materials. Repair and replace instead of discarding things that are old and broken. With maintenance and retrofit services, let's make usage last longer. Through take-back for refurbishing, harvesting, spares, and recycling, we can use materials again. There are numerous opportunities to adopt a systemic approach supported by people and innovation powered by technology. Our goal is to do more with less and go circular together.